welcome back. It's brunch at Tiffany's. So today, just like last week, we're trying to keep it a little healthy. So to all my vegans out there, I have a special drink for you. So I know you've seen my coquito video a few months ago, but now I'm gonna make a vegan coquito. So this one is literally only using all coconut-based products besides the alcohol. But everything else is coconut. So for all of you who are lactose and you know the milk, the dairy, you know, really hurts your stomach, the coquito, you just be like, all right, I'm gonna just get through it. I'm gonna drink it because it's good and I'm gonna get through it. Whatever happens, happens. This is for you, okay? So literally I'm using all coconut-based products. So I'm using coconut milk, I'm using cream of coconut, and then I'm using, instead of sweet condensed milk, I'm using sweet condensed coconut milk. Ooh, do you know how hard it is to find this in a store? You don't even know. If you cannot find this in a store, then the alternative would be to use oat milk, because I have used it with oat milk before. So you can also use oat milk, that'll work just as fine. And if you cannot find the sweet condensed coconut milk. And it was very hard for me to find. Trust me, I went to at least 10 different brands of supermarkets, and 4 of them were healthy and they didn't have it. So it takes a while, but don't give up. Trust me, don't give up, because I never gave up. I kept searching. So the same way I make my regular coquito is pretty much, this is the same way. Literally, I'm just using different products. So we're going to pour our coconut milk in here. And let's do that coconut next. And just like coquito, you can use 1 can of each. You know, you don't have to, unless, it depends on how much you're making as well. But I literally just use 1 can of each. If I have to make like a big batch, you know, for people, then I use more, obviously. Woo, look at that. Definitely comes out faster than sweet condensed coconut milk, right? So we're gonna pour our rum. I'm using Cruzan. So I'm gonna pour some rum in here. So I poured about maybe a half a cup of rum. And I'm going to add some cinnamon and nutmeg. So a little nutmeg and a little vanilla. Just a little bit. Make sure we put this on, and I'm just gonna pulse it a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour it in my glass, and then we're just gonna top it with a little bit of the cinnamon, and I'm gonna throw a cinnamon stick in there. And when I put it in a bottle to keep, I throw the cinnamon sticks in the bottle, because it's just, I love when the cinnamon just continues to settle in there, right? So we're gonna, oh, look at that. Look how that pours. It's amazing. So I already have my ice cubes in there. I'm gonna take some cinnamon sticks, and this is all vegan, guys. I promise you, there's no milk, no cow was harmed in making this video. I promise you. I promise. So we're gonna put some cinnamon sticks on there. Woo! Look at that. Look how healthy this looks. This is good. Your stomach's not gonna hurt. You're not gonna have to go and have, you know, take a break and light candles and matches. It's so good, and it literally tastes just like coquito, maybe even a little better, honestly. I may just start making this. Like, forget the milk. Like, this is just so much better. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope you make this at home. We forgot to put the cinnamon. Ooh. Look at that sexiness. Look at that. I hope you make this at home. I hope you love it. Definitely, if this is your first time and you love what you see and you love everything else that I've done, definitely remember to click subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell everybody that doesn't drink milk about this drink. I will definitely make one for you. Bottles are $30, and you can sell me whatever else the young people are using to send money. I take checks as well, like, you know, people in my day, I take checks. So you can send me a check, whatever it is you need to do. Thanks for watching. See you next time at Brunch at Tiffany's. Bye.